How to swap tokens on MetaMask. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily swap tokens on MetaMask. So the very first thing you want to do is install MetaMask on your device and open it up. So I'll just quickly open up MetaMask and here it is. This is my wallet. Now in order to swap tokens, it's quite easy. You can swap from any of the tokens, whichever one you'd like. And MetaMask is automatically going to calculate how many tokens you're going to get. So the first thing you want to do is find the arrows icon on the center of your screen at the bottom. Tap on it and this pop-up will appear. Now the first one is to buy crypto with cash, then you can sell it, and then there is the swap option. So you can exchange between tokens. So I can just tap on swap. And the first thing you want to do is choose which token you want to swap from. And the second option is to which token you want to swap to. So by default, it's selected in Ethereum. So let's just say I can enter the token name or address. So if you want to convert any kind of tokens from here, you can do that. So let's say if I want to convert Ethereum to USDT, you can just select USDT, Tether USD, and you can enter the amount now. So tap on it and enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. As you can see, my account does not have an Ethereum, but it's going to automatically calculate how many tokens you're going to get instead of these many Ethereum. So that is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.